The Frenchic Lazy Range is a unique, innovative, all-natural chalk and mineral paint with a wax infusion. It has won a coveted Queen's Award for innovation for the fact that it's the first chalk and mineral paint requiring no sealing. With a selection of best-selling colours, there are no toxins or added VOCs. It is a smooth, creamy, odourless paint that is self-priming, self-levelling, meaning little or no brush marks, and self-sealing, giving excellent coverage. It is a fantastic paint and go option when time is of essence. The Frenchic Lazy Range has gone through rigorous testing to be EN 713 certified, meaning it's safe to use on children's toys. It's also water resistant, so a great choice for a kitchen makeover. The Lazy Range is touch dry and recoatable in 1 hour. Do not bring soft furnishings in contact with the newly painted surfaces for 48 hours. On areas subject to wear, we recommend a 3-week curing time before heavy use.